Hey, what's going on, Ray? My name is Jack here with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds. Thanks for trying out our site auditor. Hope you got some insight out of that. I wanted to follow up here with another custom video analysis so that I could provide further insight as a search marketer in terms of your SEO and see how we could help if we were to work together in this project. So let me go ahead and get started. The first thing that I did was I pulled up the website URL batterylocks.com on a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs allows us to look at the metrics of a website and see kind of your SEO efforts and what's been working and what's not been working. And so right off the bat, I can see that you don't have any data for your backlinks and referring domains, and that is an issue. Reason being is the number of backlinks that are pointing back to your website is an indicator of how authoritative your website is. And authority plays a big part in how quickly you rank up in Google's organic search listing and how high you rank up. And so since you don't have any referring domains or backlinks, Google is having a hard time connecting the authority to your website and giving you the credit for the keywords that you want to rank for. And so let me explain what a backlink and referring domain is. So a backlink and referring domain is basically any website that goes out there and links back to your website via a hyperlink. And so what I mean by that is let's say that for example, there's a blog out there and they're called batterylockblog.com, and they go out there and make a new post and they said, hey, if you need any battery locks, go visit batterylocks.com. Right? And then that would be a link that points back to your website. And so Google tracks all that data, all the different links that are pointing to all the different other websites out there, and they use that metric to determine how authoritative your website is, like I was mentioning earlier. And so you just want a lot of these quality websites that are relevant to your niche pointing back by a hyperlink pointing back to your website, because it shows Google that you're the type of website that is popular, that other websites like to refer, and it just makes it so that your website seems like it's has more quality and is more authoritative in general. And so right now, since you don't have any backlinks and referring domains, we definitely want to bump that up. You want to be closer to about 200 to 300 referring domains on about 1,000 to 3,000 backlinks. That's really going to put you at the top of Google for all the different keywords, especially battery locks. You did a great job by claiming this domain name right off the bat. You're going to get a lot of credit just because you have the domain batterylocks.com, and you're looking to go after the most recent, or you're looking to go after the keyword battery locks. I wanted to show you over here to batteryshackle.com. I think these guys are your biggest competitors. I just typed in battery locks in Google, and these guys were one of the first ones that came up. So you can see right off the bat, compared to your website, do you see how they have these backlinks and referring domains? So it's not a lot, right? It's 14 backlinks and 12 referring domains. Nothing compared to like what I was talking about, the 200 to 300 referring domains. And they're still ranking at the top of Google for this. So it basically means that there's not a lot of competition for your keyword set, and there's a lot of room for someone new like you to come in and really start claiming the top spot. So it looks like with this effort right now, they're ranking for about 110 different keywords, and this is the estimated amount of people that are visiting the website. Now, it's actually a little bit less than what it actually is, but it's a good indicator. You can see how these are the kinds of keywords that they currently rank for. So battery shackle, RV battery lock, they hold the number 3 spot, battery lock number 2, battery shackle number 2 position, battery locks. So there's a lot of potential links out there, and so there's a lot of keywords that they're currently ranking for that you can actually come in and actually claim the keyword for this set. And so if you think about all these different long tail keywords that you can currently rank for, like RV battery locking strap, RV battery lock bracket, there's a lot of similar phrases that you could currently rank on your website, specifically if we were to focus on targeting that keyword. So right now you might be wondering, how come my website doesn't rank for battery lock or any of these different phrases? And the reason being is because right now Google doesn't know what you're trying to rank for. So do you see right here, let's see, I'll show you a good one. Battery shackle lock. Okay, so having a hard time. What I wanted to show you was that some of these keywords are ranking for this page, because this page tends to have more tends to be optimized specifically for this phrase, RV dual battery guard and lock off. And so what Battery Shackle has done a good job of is they've actually built a lot of these inside pages that are targeting specific keywords, and they've built out some content and things like that specifically targeting those keywords. And that's essentially what we would be doing. We would grab like a keyword set of 10 or 20 or so, and then start optimizing some of your inner pages specifically targeting that phrase. So you know how you see services? Right now you just have this one service page and it says our services. What would work even better is if you actually had an inner page that specifically said like battery-locks. Now battery locks, actually, because you have the name, you wouldn't need to do that, but something like RV battery lock, if we wanted to go for that, we would build out a page that says RV-battery-lock, and that's going to really show, and then have some content out here, and that's really going to show Google that these are the kinds of keywords that you want to target, and you're going to get a lot of credit for that. And so there's a lot of similar ones that we could rank for in the same page, but then we would just go out there and figure out all the different keyword sets and then come up with a plan of attack, build out the inner pages, and start ranking for those. And so I know a lot of what I was talking about seems to be kind of general things, but I can definitely go into more specific if you're interested. But at the very least, you get some insight into how a search marketer looks into a website and SEO and how the competition works and how you'll be able to outrank them and some of those SEO factors as well. So at the very least, like I said, hope you got some insight out of it. We would love to work further with you in this project. It's just a matter of kind of getting the ball rolling. So just asking a couple questions with what your goal with the website is, what your time frame is, what your budget, marketing budget is, and just kind of go from there. So again, appreciate it if you watched this video all the way through. Look forward to talking to you soon, and hope you have a great rest of your day and week, and take care. Thank you.